Welcome to Rigorous Web Services. With over a decade of experience, we specialize in creating stunning, responsive websites tailored to your business need. At Rigorous Web, we offer a comprehensive package of services designed to elevate your digital presence. We deliver top-tier branding and UI, UX design services from custom logos, banners, and promotional ads. We use Figma, Illustrator, Photoshop, and Adobe Premiere for seamless UI, UX design, wireframing, and prototyping, ensuring a flawless user experience. We specialize in web and mobile application development. We create robust e-commerce and CMS solutions, handle API integration, and backend and frontend development. We offer complete WordPress customization to tailor your site to your exact needs. Our expertise includes developing custom plugins for tailored features, seamlessly integrating and optimizing third-party plugins, and crafting unique WordPress themes. We excel in advanced customization for popular page builders like Elementor, WP Bakery, and many more. Also, our WooCommerce development services cover everything from custom add-ons to payment gateway integration. In addition to our core offerings, we provide a range of solutions to enhance your digital presence. Migration and upgrade facilitates smooth transitions and updates. We also specialize in strategic content, digital marketing, and video editing and promotion to elevate your brand's visibility. For improved search rankings and site speed, rely on our SEO and performance optimization. Rigorous offers extensive security audits. We provide regular updates, patches, and firewall configurations to protect your data and keep threats at bay. Our technical troubleshooting services are designed to resolve any issue. We diagnose problems quickly, keeping your site running efficiently. And with our ongoing maintenance plans, we handle everything from regular backups and software upgrades. We utilize the latest top tech stacks in our project development to ensure cutting-edge, high-performance solutions. Behind every successful project at Rigorous Web is a dedicated team of skilled professionals. Our passionate developers, creative designers, and consultants bring years of experience and a passion for innovation to every project. We create exceptional websites across various industries, including blogs, e-commerce, portfolios, and many more. Our expertise ensures your site stands out and meets your unique needs, transforming your digital presence with every project. Our philosophy is simple yet powerful. Every business deserves a unique, high-quality website. Our dedicated support team is here 24/7 to provide ongoing maintenance and technical support. We don't just build websites, we build lasting relationships. You'll get more than just a service provider, you'll get a partner dedicated to your growth. Now, it's your turn to build your own website. Whether you're starting a new venture or looking to build a powerful website, we're here to help. Visit our website, rigorousweb.com, or email info@rigorousweb.com. Your success is our mission.